Good afternoon. Going to do a short video on factorised quadratics, a little bit of revision from what we did in class last week, and we are going to factorise expressions of the form x squared plus 7x plus 10 first of all. Now some of you have completed task 1 on Hegarty Maths on quadratics, that's good. Most of you still need to complete task 1. So this will help you with that task. First of all, open up two brackets. You must put x and x as the first term, because when we multiply this, we're going to get the x squared, which is what we want. Now remember, the product of the two numbers here should equal 10, and their sum should equal 7. So we're looking for factors of 10 which add up to 7. Factors of 10 which add up to 7. Now the factors of 10 are 1 and 10, but they add up to 11. 2 and 5. Now 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 add 5 is 7, so that's the one we want. It's 2 and 5. Everything's positive, so it's 2 positives here. Okay, have a go at this one. You can pause the video and have a go of it. So it's x squared plus 8x plus 15. Pause it, have a go. Okay, hopefully you've put your two brackets in, and your x and your x to start you off. Then you should be thinking about factors of 15. 1 times 15, and they add up to 16. 3 times 5, and they add up to 8, so that's what we want. It's product for 15 and sum for 8. So that's 3 and 5, and it's all positive in this one. Okay, you can pause the video as many times as you want to slow it down. I'm going to move on to looking at some negative terms. So let's try x squared minus 10x plus 9. So let's try factors of 9. 1 times 9. But also minus 1 times minus 9. Because if you think about it, a minus times a minus is a plus. So this will still multiply to equal 9, positive, but they'll actually add up to minus 10, which is what you want. So we know it must be x minus 1 and x minus 9.
It's alright,
I'm just doing things. It's alright. And have a go at this one. Just pause the video, have a go of it, and then see if you're right or wrong. So this one's x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, hopefully you've had a go at that one. You should have two brackets with x and x, and then you need to think about factors of 3 that add up to minus 4. So factors of 3 that add up to minus 4. So minus 1 times minus 3, they'll multiply to equal 3, and they'll add up to minus 4. So that's what you want. Okay. Final one. Let's try x squared minus 5x minus 24. We should have two brackets. X times x, and then we have to think about factors of minus 24. Now to get minus 24, you should have one positive, one negative. So 1 times minus 24. You can swap them round as well. So minus 1 times 24. There you got 2 times minus 12, or minus 2 times 12. You've got 3 times minus 8, or minus 3 times 8. Now what you notice is if we add these two together, if we do 3 plus minus 8, we get minus 5. And that's the one we want. We need that minus 5 because it's got to add up to minus 5, that's your sum, and multiply for minus 24, that's your product. So it should be positive 3 and negative 8. Okay, so hopefully that's sunk in a little bit. Please have a go on Hegarty Maths on factorised quadratics. Task 1 for most of you. For a few of you, you can go to task 2 and see how you get on with that, and you can watch the Hegarty Maths videos as well. Okay, enjoy your work, and I'll see you in the next video.